Hello again, this is me again, Ashana. We have another job for interview tomorrow. This is located in Shinagawa. The company has a branch in Shinagawa. There is also in Hachioji City in Tokyo. So we are looking for 4 people for this, and the job description for this is there's a sorting, there is also a security and bed making. So this is for interview also tomorrow, July 3, Wednesday. The interview will be in our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So the salary for this is 259,200 yen to 324,000 yen, and there will be bonus also. So during the interview it will be discussed, so it's negotiable. So if you are willing to apply for this, please comment down below. You can make a reservation. You can call also our office number at 0362068058, and please look for my name, Ashana. So if you are looking for a visa support or visa change, our company is also supporting visa, or we process visa as long as you are hired. So for more jobs, we do have other jobs scheduled for interview. We have a schedule from Monday to Sunday. Thank you.